I guess I'm going to do some lock picking. It's the last lock. Keyway tension. The keyway. Attention. Oh, bloody hell, I'm sick of this phone, it knocks early. So that's guys, this is why I want a camera, because I need to get a bloody tripod. Put the camera on the friggin' tripod, and so I'm not knocking the friggin' deodorant can and knocking it over. I need to set my dressing table because my bed, it won't work. Guys, I'll just come back to you when it's picked. So that's guys, but I'll come back to you when it's picked up. And guys, the lock is now open. Look at that, guys. I don't know if you can see that, but that is picked. Guys, that was a master lock being picked open. It's now locked. Anyway guys, please like, share, subscribe, turn on your notifications, and I'll see you all later. Peace!